Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel, Go with the Flow 504. I appreciate you joining us. So today I want to talk about us and how we are so hard on ourselves about our natural hair because we want it to look like the person in the video that we're watching or somebody that we know, but we all know that all our hair is different. The different products that we use, they don't all work the same on our hair, and I have been through this for years. I've just decided to embrace my hair and stop caring so much about how the hairstyle comes out, but more how I treat my hair. Just making sure that it's healthy and I'm moisturizing it and I'm not pulling and doing stuff to irritate it because my hair does not grow when I do that. So I'm going to show you some pictures in this video of all the mistakes that I've made, successes that I've had, and share with you some tips at the end of the video on what you can do to maintain the growth of your hair, because all our hair grows. It definitely does. And I did this style almost 2 weeks ago. Yeah, about 2 weeks ago. And I'm already getting a little bit of growth. So I will probably redo it in another um, week or two. I might just do the front just to refresh it a little bit. But other than that, I don't do anything else to my hair besides just I'll spray some leave-in just to moisturize it whenever it feels dry. And I'll put some shea butter over it to seal in that moisture. So if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. That way you can continue to get more content. When I do my hair again, I'm going to probably do another video. I'm not sure yet what style I'm going to do. If I'm going to do the same thing or try something else. But I really like this, and I have a feeling that I will do it again. So if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And let's get this video started. So my natural hair journey started back in 2012, and I did not cut my hair. I just slowly transitioned from the perms to the braids. So I would just braid my hair, and eventually I would trim my hair every so often, and I eventually trimmed off all the permed hair, and I just had natural hair. So I was doing really well for a while, but I got a little too carried away with how fast my hair was growing and decided I wanted it straight again. I was used to the straight hair. And then I started flat ironing my hair. I literally flat ironed my hair every single day for months. And this just killed my hair. So I will show you in a little bit what my hair looked like, but yeah, it just killed my hair. And I learned a very hard lesson. I basically had to start over again. I lost all the hair on the back of my head. It literally fell out. Um, and I had started losing some of the hair in the front because my hair just drinks up the moisture. With us staying here in the South, it literally drank everything up. So there was no hope for my hair, and I will never do that again. Never do that again. So as you can see here in 2015, my hair had started to grow back again because I grabbed that from the back. And when I tell you I had no hair back there, it literally fell out for me just putting that heat on my hair every morning before I went to work. I just flat ironed it. It looked great, but I had no idea what I was doing. And you see the picture on the right, that's really what my hair looks like now. And this is from around November of 2021. So braids have always been my go-to thing. I love doing braids, low manipulation, low maintenance. I like anything low maintenance. So for years, I always had braids in my hair. I like to do my own hair. I do it by myself. I'm very tender-headed. I don't like people in my head. I don't like people pulling my hair. Some people do it way too tight. And this way I can do my own hair and I'm not in too much pain. Of course, my scalp still gets tender when I do my braids, but yeah, it is much better with me just doing my own hair. So over the years, I've had many chances to get that perfect twist out. I still can't say I've ever had the perfect twist out. I've come close, but as you can see here, I've had some not so perfect ones. And yeah, I can't believe I looked back at my pictures and I was like, oh my God, I actually went to work with my hair looking like this. So, I mean, the definition, don't get me wrong, was like really great, but I can tell on one of the pictures on the left, I forgot to untwist my hair, so you can see that's still twisted, and I guess I walked around all day like that. The one in the middle is not so bad, I don't think. Of course, it's not as full as I would like it to look. And the one on the right, the front came out really nice. It was that section to my right on the picture that it wasn't just catching the definition. I don't know what I did, but that did not come out so great. And these are two different twist outs that I guess I can say um, came out really well. I actually twisted out the one on the left side. The other one I just left twisted. But once my hair dried, it just shrank. So it looked really short. And I think I did this in 2021. So it was not that long ago. And I've had days where I literally just wash my hair and I go. So when I wash it and I go, it just shrinks up and it looks very short. I didn't really comb it out. Sometimes I'll do Bantu knots, really big Bantu knots, and then take them out. And I'll use that Shea Moisture. That never keeps my hair defined. It literally just unravels everything that I do. So when I want this kind of look, I might use that. Sometimes I don't. And the one to the left actually wasn't too bad. That was a good twist out that I had. So I wore that for a few days. And these twists out I actually really liked. I enjoyed those. I wore these for a few days. What I would do when I did a twist out before I went to bed, I just twisted my hair into usually four to six different sections, and then went to bed. And in the morning, wake up, undo it, seal it, put some more oil on there. 'Cause you know my hair just loves to shrink up anyway. So, but these turned out pretty well. I had no complaints. Here I was just trying different things, trying to see what would look good, what didn't. I mean, these are not perfect, but yeah, I think I was trying to straighten my hair on the left picture without using heat, and I just twisted it and then took it out, and then I braided it, tried to see what that would look like. The middle one, I had flat ironed my hair, of course, when I know I should not flat iron my hair, especially after what I did in the past. But now I flat iron my hair maybe once a year, if I even do that. So some more cute styles. These I really liked. These came out really well. My hair was really defined, soft, moisturized. I actually kept that for days as well. But of course, I had to really twist most of this. I think the two styles, the one in the middle and the one to the right, I really retwisted everything before I went to bed. That's why it looks so good for days. That would be an hour at least every night before I went to bed. So I can't do that for too long. And yeah, so the flat iron. I like that flat iron, but my hair does not. This is the relationship we have with a flat iron. So even with my straight days, my hair does not stay straight for long anyway. It starts frizzing up. I might go a whole day or 2 days if I'm lucky. But that picture in the middle, that was the time when I was literally flat ironing my hair every single day. So that's when I really damaged my hair. So this is a picture of what my hair looked like after I had flat ironed it for so many months. I would wash my hair and it would not revert back to its natural 4C state. No, my hair actually stayed straight like that and it was different lengths and so at first I did not understand what was happening. I was actually excited because I thought, oh my God, I found a way to keep my hair straight. You know, it's not curling back up. I thought that was a good thing until I started noticing the breakage in the hair that was short. And in the back, my hair was practically gone. Oh my God, that's when I got the aha moment. Stay away from the heat. So the next time you touch that hot comb, you grab that flat iron, you grab that blow dryer, remember this picture. Remember my hair and don't do it. Yep. Loving that long hair. I love it. I can't wait to see what it looks like now. So it might be a while though before I put that heat in there. I might just use the African threading to straighten it because I don't think I want another hot comb in my hair. And these are just some twists out that I do right before I go to bed, just putting it together before putting on my bonnet and then go to sleep. This here was just to show the shrinkage in my hair because when you look at the left side, sometimes I'd wear my hair like that and people would ask me, oh my God, did you cut your hair? Then they'd see me the next day with my hair long and they'd be like, is that your hair? So I took a picture because I wanted to show some people like, no, that this is my hair. It's not a weave. It's not, and it's not short. This is my hair. This is how I wear it. So I can wear it short. I can make it long. That's just how it is. And I just started the hair African threading just a few months ago in August, as you can see on that picture. So it looks like I twisted my hair and but of course it doesn't shrink the twist that much. And you can kind of tell, over the few months since I started how my hair grew a little bit. It's not like a major difference, I don't think, but you can see that there's a difference. And here's just a picture of how long I took out one of my African threading twists just to see how long my hair was. And that's one of my hairs like pulled out just to show the length on there. And it grows pretty fast. So really every 4 to 6 weeks, I have significant growth to where it doesn't look that great if I don't retouch it. So right now, I don't really know exactly how long my hair is, but I definitely want to try to maybe keep the African threading up for 2022 if I can, because I really would like to see how long my hair will grow with me just leaving it alone, not manipulating it and stretching it and combing it and doing all those things because my hair breaks so much when I do that and it grows so fast when I leave it alone. So this is my goal for 2022. So I think what I will do at the end of 2022, I'm going to take it out just to see how long it's grown. So I cannot wait to do that. So here are some tips and tricks to growing your hair. So definitely stay away from heat. Leave that hot comb alone. Don't flat iron it, just leave it alone. Even the blow dryer. You can actually use African threading to dry your hair, to stretch it. It's recommended to do the African threading, let it sit for a day or two if you can, take it out, and then redo it again, let it sit another day or two. So I know it's time consuming, but it is so much better than putting that heat on your hair and destroying your hair. Don't do it. Of course, you should always drink plenty of water and eat healthy, because what you put in your body on the outside, what you do to your hair on the outside and you do to it on the inside is going to make a big difference. So it needs to definitely stay hydrated, moisturized, drink your water, and leave it alone. Leave the hair alone. Find a low manipulation style that you like, that you can wear every day without having to constantly stretch your hair, comb it, even just always tying your hair, putting it up in a bun. All that stretching your hair and breaking the ends, and just leave it alone. Find something that you can just do and leave it alone. And of course, be patient. You know, it's going to take time for your hair to grow. It's definitely growing, but just be patient. Focus on just keeping it healthy, moisturized, eating right. Trim it when it needs to be trimmed. If you see split ends, trim it. But don't let those split ends get out of control. As long as you keep it moisturized, and seal, that moisturizer in there, you shouldn't have to worry about your hair splitting too much. So if you have any other tips that you would like to add to this list, definitely please share in the comments below. And if you made it this far in my video, I really want to thank you, and I hope you liked and subscribed to my channel already so you can get more content like this. You all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!